everyone, how are we all? So today we're going to do some tie-dye. I'm really excited. I have specifically bought a jogger set that I want to tie-dye. I'll show you guys a clip of it in a little bit. But I specifically wanted a yellow tie-dye tracksuit set, like a joggers and jumper set. So I found one on ASOS. If it's still in stock, I'll link it down below. It was like £32 for the whole set, and I think that was really good value. So I picked that up and it arrived, and I'm really excited to do some tie-dye. So the technique that we're doing today, I think it's called reverse tie-dye or bleach tie-dye. So the actual piece itself is already a colour, and we're going to bleach it to take some of that colour out and give it a pattern. So I haven't quite decided what pattern I want to do yet, but I've done a little bit of research and I think that I could do something quite fun. So fingers crossed it works out, but it was only £32 for the jogger set. So if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. I can just wear it around the house or to shopping or something like that. But I'm really excited. I really hope it works out because I've been dying for something yellow and tie-dye, and it's so difficult to find on the high street. So let's see if I can make it at home. Okay guys, so this is the set that I'm going to tie-dye. I got this from ASOS. I think it was around £32 for the set, and I must say it's not the best quality kind of jogger set, but it was £32 for the whole set, so I'm not exactly complaining. You can like see the pocket through there. I've also had to roll them up a lot because the cuffs, as you can see, are they're not very tight, like they don't stay on, but I roll my joggers up anyway, so that's fine. I'm wearing a size 10, by the way. The drawstring actually works, which is quite good because the 10 was quite large on me, which never happens, so that was weird as well. So it's quite generously fit even, and it's just got like hood details. Yeah, that's the sort of vibe. So I'm kind of hoping that it will just become a little bit more interesting because I already like the colour of this little jogger set, but I think with the added tie-dye it's gonna look really cute. I hope this colour is picking up on camera because it's just adorable. Such a pretty yellow colour, and yeah, can't wait to tie-dye it. Really bad, and I still haven't got the extra hook because I used to have the moon banner going up across here, but I just haven't got around to getting a new hook. I do feel like in general I could have just tidied up a little bit better for this video, but this is me in my natural habitat, so voila. Okay guys, so it's a weird little time warp type situation, but I've already done the tie-dye, but I thought I'd jump on here and talk to you guys about how I did the tie-dye, because I did the tie-dye when my sister was visiting and we decided to do it as a little bonding thing, and I didn't really want to do like a talky, filmy, vloggy type thing, so we just set the camera up and filmed us doing it. So I'll probably add in clips of like time-lapse of me actually doing it, but I thought I'd talk you through how I did the tie-dye. So first off, I laid down a tarp. So I bought this one on Amazon, I'll link it below, but it's just basically like a big dust sheet that you usually put down when you're painting in your house, and I just put it on my, I did it on my lino, so I put it all down on that just in case bleach got everywhere, and it did. I would say if you are going to tie-dye, definitely do it on a hardwood floor and put something down, because if that bleach even, like it did get everywhere. Otherwise, if you're only doing a few small little bits, you could definitely do it in the bath or the shower. You could definitely also clean your bath and shower whilst it happens, because the bleach does go everywhere. But if you've only got like a few small things to do, you could probably do it in your bath, but I ended up doing it on the tarp. I probably could have done it on the bath, to be completely honest with you. Yeah, we ended up doing it on the tarp, so that happened. I also picked up some of these bottles on Amazon as well, which are for like, it says for candy making, so I'm guessing it's for like cakes and stuff like that, confectionery making, but it was really good for the bleach. I mean, it did exactly what I needed it to do. So I used that, and then I used just regular bathroom bleach. We had gloves on and masks on. Don't worry, the room was well ventilated. Definitely wear gloves and ventilate your room if you're doing this. It's also probably good to do it outside. If you have a garden or a balcony or something, definitely think about doing it outside, because the bleach is pretty harsh. Don't get it on your skin, please. So I filled it halfway full of bleach, and then the other half full of water, so it was like a half and half mixture. First off, wet your piece of clothing. So I threw my hoodie and my joggers in the shower, wet them, wrung them out, and then I was good to go. Once that was done, I then took my fork, this is for the jumper, stuck it in the middle and twirled it around like this, as you'll probably see in many tie-dye tutorials like I did, and it kind of creates like a swirl pattern. Next, you want to take some elastic bands. You can buy like a big set of them on Amazon, but I just have a handful from having like post from the post office. They usually put these around my letters and stuff, so I've just kept them for that reason. But you are going to need some elastic bands. So once you've got your top or whatever you're trying to do in the position you want it, I did my hoodie in that swirling position with the fork. I then put 3 elastic bands on, so there were 6 segments, like a pizza, but like 6 slices. With the trousers, I tried to do a spiral pattern around the top, but it kind of didn't really work out. So if I was to do it again, I would definitely suggest just doing the scrunching method, where you just scrunch the material up like a xylophone all the way up, both the legs and both the top, and just basically crunch it all up and then put the elastic bands on, and then I just put bleach on randomly in that case. But with the spiral one, you'll probably see me in the cutaway. I'll add little notes anyway. Each segment I did like every other segment. It's pretty much how everyone does bleach tie-dye or does the spiral pattern tie-dye, so you'll see everyone in their videos doing it, but I did do that for the top. So that's what I did for that. Once it was all on, I left it for around 10 to 20 minutes. I don't really remember how long I had left it on for, because we were just chatting. So it was on for about 10 to 20 minutes. And once we'd seen that it was like lightening quite a lot, I decided to then rinse it out in the shower. I would say that when it was lightening and it was wet, it almost looked like it was going a weird pinky peach color, and I was freaking out a little bit. So it was like lifting it was going like a pink peach next to the yellow of the original hoodie. I was stressing out a bit. I was like, oh my god, okay, it's going pink. This wasn't the plan. My sister did a dark navy t-shirt, and she wanted the spiral pattern on, and we were waiting for about 20 minutes for hers to process, and we really couldn't see a difference. Like genuinely, we really couldn't see a difference. And in the end, we both just went off like, screw it, let's just wash it out and see what happens. As soon as we put it in the shower and rinsed it off and took the elastic bands out, we were like, whoa, like how did we not notice that this was processing? It's a really weird thing. Sometimes you really notice, sometimes you don't, and the color that you get at the end is really different as well. But I do think that's like part of the fun of it, and yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see the final result of my tie-dye experience. I'll add in little clips that I do have of us doing the tie-dye next, so you can see the process, and yeah, I'll add little annotations so you know what I'm doing at each part. But hopefully this will show you a little bit of like what we did and how we did it, but pretty much like every other bleach or tie-dye tutorial, and it did work out. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say on that front, and I'm sorry that I didn't do it in like a vloggy way, but it just kind of didn't work out like that. But hopefully you guys will be able to see what I did anyway, and I can't wait for you to see the final result because I'm obsessed with it. So let's go. Okay, so I just finished the tie-dye and the hoodie went really, really, really well. I also tie-dyed the hood, but I don't know what that's going to look like until we wash it because it's all crumpled. But we got a really nice spiral effect like in the middle there. And we did the joggers as well. The joggers look so much better on the back than the front, and I've got like patches of just random, like just unbleached bits. So I think I'm going to go over those again with a little bit of bleach just to add a little bit of colour in there, because it's just a bit weird that it's just like patchy like that. But I really like the way the hoodie has come out, but we will see what they look like after the wash. Okay guys, so this is how the tie-dye turned out. It's just on the back of the door in my kitchen, but I just wanted to show you hanging up because you'll be able to see it better. But I love it. So the original yellow is this dark yellow here, and the light bits are where the bleach went on. And as you can see, it's a lovely little spiral pattern on the hoodie, which I really, really like. There's so much detail on it. I think it looks absolutely great. And then the trousers, I did try and do the spiral at the top, but it just kind of didn't work out. So it just kind of looks a bit like I've done the crumple effect, which I did do on the legs and stuff. So yeah, it did turn out really, really nice. I'm pretty sure I filmed when I was in the shower and there were I'm pretty sure I filmed it when I was in the shower and there were like big patches of like yellow where like colour hadn't taken. So yeah, we fixed that situation. So it does look really, really cool. Let me show you guys the back. Okay, so this is them from the back. I think they look really cool from the back as well. I think you can see here, you see where those like big patches of yellow are? That's what it was like on the front, and I wasn't vibing with it, so I added some more bleach, but on the back it's fine. I mean, it doesn't really matter all that much. But I really, really like the back of the hoodie. I think it looks really cool, and I love the fact that the actual hood itself took some bleach to it as well. I just think it looks so cool, and it's customized, like I did it myself, and that feels really, really good. Okay guys, so this is the hoodie set on. I am so happy with the tie-dye effect. As you can see on the front, it's like spiral, so that really works. It's all down the arms as well, and on the hood, I don't know how well I'm going to show you, it also got tie-dyed as well, which is really cool. The strings didn't tie-dye, but I guess that's just the material. The trousers as well look so nice, the jogger trousers. They're really nice. The bits that I had to go over, which were like here, and then there was a patch, was it on this side or this side? I can't remember, that was just all yellow, so I went over them again just to make them lighter, because it was just weird having like a big patch of yellow with like nothing in it. And I think they look really cute. The bottoms definitely came up lighter than the top. I'm not sure why I put the same bleach on, but it might just be the fact that I did crumple up the legs and then just poured the bleach on, whereas this I did do the method of doing the 6 parts and then doing every other part, which you would have seen me do earlier. So yeah, really happy with the whole look. I think that it looks so cute, and I think I'm going to get so much wear out of this, especially because I was looking at paying quite a lot of money to buy one like this, where it was like £40 for the top and like 30 for the jogger, so it would have been like £70 or something. So I bought this for 30 and I did it at home myself, and I just bought a few bits on Amazon that I can reuse if I ever want to do more tie-dye. So I'm really happy with it. So yeah, as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.